Hi guys, so today's video we're going to be talking about Westmoreland, in particular in Jamaica. If you guys didn't know, I am from the Westmoreland area. I went to school in Hanover, I went to Resides High School. So those two places in Jamaica hold a very special and dear place in my heart. So when I seen that Westmoreland have reached the 50th murder this year and we're only in April, it caused for some concern and for me to use my platform to bring awareness. Westmoreland has been rocked by yet another killing, with a woman on Monday night becoming the 50th murder victim in the parish since the start of the year. The deceased has been identified as 29-year-old Kamika Harding of Savannah Lamar in the parish. Wow. Reports are that about 10:20 p.m. Harding and her husband were at home when gunmen entered by kicking open the back door. The husband fled the house, was shot at by gunmen, but managed to escape unhurt. However, the gunman returned to the house and shot the man's helpless wife multiple times. She died on the spot. Savannah Lamar police are investigating the killing, for which no motive have yet been established. So basically that woman was killed execution style in Westmoreland. And if you guys don't know, Westmoreland, I'm a place, Westmoreland, I'm a grew Westmoreland, where all my family still resides up to this day. Well, most of my family still resides up to this day. We are sprinkled around all over Westmoreland, to be exact. We don't really come from one specific place, but majority of us live in one particular place. But it's quite shocking to me that Montego Bay has a state of emergency and Westmoreland has such a high murder number. Westmoreland is also a really, especially Negro in Westmoreland, is a very, very prominent area for tourism. I guess Westmoreland or in the Negro area is not making as much money as Montego Bay, so I guess that's why it doesn't warrant a state of emergency in Negro. So quite honestly, it is mind-boggling at this point, because Westmoreland was not known for a place for murder. Like when I was growing up, when I was coming up, Westmoreland was known as country, like country. And when you tell people, say you come from Westmoreland, they look upon you like you come from country. Now it's like a murder capital, because last year it was ranked third with the most highest murder rate. So I feel like Westmoreland, they get out of hand. And the reason why I feel like Westmoreland is getting like this is because there is a state of emergency in Montego Bay. There's also one in Kingston. And I feel like a lot of these people that come from Montego Bay area and the Kingston area are actually going to Westmoreland to hide out and chill out because of the state of emergency in those two specific parishes. And I feel like that's causing a lot of problems in Westmoreland at this very moment. I know it's not the primary cause of all the murders that's going on in a place, but I know it has a lot to do with it. So these people are fleeing Montego Bay and fleeing Kingston because there are heavy security forces there and they're probably wanted. And them know if them go Westmoreland, them can chill out, disguise themselves. People actually can come, have family and friends who live there and just cool off until those places that have the those state of emergency have ended. Then they can go back to which part them come from. But quite frankly, I feel like something needs to be done. I feel like Westmoreland people need to start speaking up for themselves, because this is getting ridiculous. You shoot a woman like execution style. Like they're getting more and more heartless as the days go by. And for no one to be talking about this, especially Westmoreland, is very mind-boggling to me, because Westmoreland make a lot of money for tourism in Jamaica. So for no one to be speaking on it, it's mind-boggling and mind-blowing. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think that Westmoreland needs to be under state of emergency? Because I certainly do. Do you think that more needs to be done for Westmoreland people? Because this is getting out of hand. We have 50 murders already. Okay? 50. And we just entered the new year. 50. We're 4 months, almost 4 months in. Not even quite 4 months. And we have 50 people who get killed by a gun. We don't manufacture guns. We don't own guns. We don't manufacture guns. So I don't understand why there's so many murders in Jamaica. Like, I cannot understand it. They're not protecting our borders. They're not protecting the wharf. They're not protecting the airplane. They're not protecting anything that's coming in and going out of Jamaica. So that's why our streets are flooded with all these guns. And now these guns are ending up in the wrong hands and we're paying for it. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think Westmoreland needs to be under state of emergency? Do you think that more coverage needs to be placed on Westmoreland as far as murders are concerned? Comment in the comment section what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuces.